Stop wasting your time on so-called diet foods that actually make you gain weight. Let me show you 8 fat-burning foods that science actually backs up, and trust me, number 7 will surprise you. Losing weight isn't easy, especially when there's so much conflicting information out there. One day you hear carbs are the enemy, the next day it's fat. And don't even get me started on those detox teas. But what if I told you that there are foods that don't just fill you up, but also help your body burn fat more efficiently? Yep, science says so. Let's break down the 8 best fat-burning foods for weight loss, especially for women. 1. Eggs. Eggs have been called the perfect protein for a reason. High in protein and healthy fats, they keep you full longer and help build muscle, which boosts metabolism. A 2018 study in the journal found that people who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who had a carb-heavy breakfast. Greek yogurt, not the sugary kind. I'm talking about plain full-fat Greek yogurt. It's packed with probiotics that help with gut health, and a healthy gut is linked to easier weight loss. A Harvard study found that women who included yogurt in their diet lost more weight over time than those who didn't. Green tea. This one's not just hype. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that boost fat burning, especially during exercise. A study showed that people who drank green tea daily burned more calories than those who didn't. Avocados. Yes, they're high in fat, but it's the good kind, monounsaturated fats. Avocados help reduce belly fat and keep you satisfied. A study found that people who ate half an avocado at lunch felt fuller for hours afterward. Chili peppers. If you like spicy food, you're in luck. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which increases your body's ability to burn fat and reduces appetite. Research from Purdue University found that adding spicy foods to your diet can help curb cravings. Oatmeal, not the sugary instant packets but plain rolled or steel-cut oats. They're high in fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you full longer. A 2015 study found that people who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller and ate less throughout the day. Coffee. Surprised? Coffee not only boosts your energy but also increases your metabolic rate thanks to caffeine. According to a study in the coffee drinkers burn more calories at rest compared to non-coffee drinkers. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation, which is often linked to obesity. A study found that women who ate salmon regularly lost more weight than those who didn't. So there you have it. Eggs, Greek yogurt, green tea, avocados, chili peppers, oatmeal, coffee, and salmon. 8 fat-burning foods backed by science that can help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, no single food will magically make you lose weight, but incorporating these into a balanced diet can definitely make the process easier and more effective. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've got more science-backed tips coming your way that you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.